dear valued customer, here we would like to introduce our A3 size PET film printer with roll film solution. This is our ink cartridge. And this is our control panel. You can see this is the power key, and this is the coil button which could switch to the roll film PET solution. And this is the white ink stirring system. This is the manually prohibit paper. When you press this button, you could control this, roll in and roll out. Like this.
Okay.
And you need to recover it.
現在可以開始打印。
And now we switch to the roll PET film solution.